Ikaw, halimbawa, alam ng lahat, alam namin bilang manonood, at kahit doon sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, you were the most loved. Or one of the most loved. I mean, to be fair to everybody. But you were, you know why? You know why? You were never nominated.
Yes po.
Tama?
Apo.
Oo, tama yung aking memory, oo. Pero, pagdating nung pilian ng kaduo, walang pumili sa'yo.
Oh,
Usapang bubog pala to dito.
Oo, di ba? Usapang bubog, konti lang, hindi na katulad noon.
Yes, yes po.
Did you feel, you know, disappointed?
Tito Boy, to be honest talaga, it hurts. Like, it hurt me talaga. And I think it's okay because it is human to feel hurt talaga. Lalo na po yung hindi ma-meet yung expectations mo. Kasi po, siguro hindi siya by pride, pero out of these housemates po na naging kasama ko at nakashare ako ng mga meaningful moments together po talaga. At yun po, na-realize ko lang po that time na feeling ko hindi ako worthy, na kulang pa ba yung pagpapasaya ko sa bahay. At it left me questioning my place po talaga, Tito Boy. Pero yung moment na po na yun is feeling ko redirection po yun sa akin. At na-lead po ako sa tamang tao talaga, sa tamang panalo po namin, Tito Boy.
Ang gandang